Good morning, sir. I explained the importance of international associations of marine aids to navigation and lighthouse authorities and buoyage system. The International Association of Maritime Aids to Navigation and Lighthouse Authorities is an international organization that sets the standards for maritime navigation aids like buoys, beacons, and lighthouses to ensure the safe navigation worldwide. The International Association of Maritime Aids and Navigation Lighthouse Authorities developed a unified buoyage system that tells mariners where they are safe to sail or where hazards are located and how to enter or leave the harbors. Before this system, many countries used their own buoyage rules, which caused confusion and accidents for international ships. The International Association of Maritime Aids of Navigation and Lighthouse Authorities and buoyage system is divided into two main regions. Region A, Europe, Africa, Australia, most of Asia, and Region B is North and South America, Japan, Korea, and the Philippines. The key difference between these regions is the color and the meaning of lateral marks, like buoys marking port starboard side of channels.
Lateral marks channel mark. They show the edge of the channel. Region A, Europe, Africa, Asia, Australia. Port side, left when entering harbor, red buoy, red light. Starboard side, right when entering harbor, green buoys, green light. Region B, Americas, Japan, Korea, Philippines. Port side, green buoy, green light. Starboard side, red buoy, red light. A simple memory trick for region B is red right. Returning, keep sight buoy on your right when you're turning to port. Other buoy type same worldwide. Aside Africa, from lateral mark, both region use the same system for other buoy. Other buoy type same. Cardinal mark, indicating ship relative to a hazard using compass direction. Isolated danger mark, marking a specific hazard. Safe water mark, marking the center line of a channel or fairway. Special mark, indicating special areas like anchorage, pipelines. Purpose ensuring safety. The IELA system ensure international consistency, reducing confusion, clearly marking of navigable waters, hazard, and a special zone, better safety for ships, protecting lives, cargo, and the marine environment. Without this standard system, international ships could easily misinterpret local market leading to grounding, collusion, or environmental disaster.